DJI's Mavic 4 Pro drone features a 100MP main camera and improved gimbal. The newest model in DJI's portfolio of prosumer camera drones, the Mavic 4 Pro, has been revealed. A new 100MP primary camera with a redesigned spherical infinity gimbal that enables complete 360 degrees rotation and 70 degrees upward tilt is introduced by the Mavic 3 Pro's replacement. Along with an enhanced transmission system and a new pro-grade remote, it also boasts a longer battery life. The tri-camera setup that was first used with the Mavic 3 Pro is maintained in the Mavic 4 Pro. Compared to its predecessor's 24mm equivalent focal length, the primary camera's 28mm equivalent provides a somewhat more constrained view. It has a recently created 100MP Type 4/3 17.4 by 13mm CMOS sensor with an f2.0 to f11 aperture that can be adjusted. Compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's 5.1K/50p video, it offers 6K/60p. Additionally, the primary camera can record in 4K/120p slow motion and has a dynamic range of up to 16 stops. The camera also has Hasselblad's natural color solution, which promises true, lifelike colors. The second camera has a fixed f2.8 aperture, 14 dynamic range stops, and a 70mm equivalent telephoto lens with a 48MP Type 1/1.3 10 by 7.5mm sensor. The third camera is a 168mm equivalent telephoto lens with a fixed f2.8 aperture, 13 dynamic range stops, and a 50MP Type 1/1.5 8.3 by 6.2mm sensor. While the second telephoto camera gives a little lower 100 frames per second at 4K, the medium telephoto camera allows 4K/120p slow motion recording. With 10-bit D-Log, D-Log-M, and HLG color profiles for more flexibility over color grading, all three cameras can record HDR footage at 4K/60 frames per second, up to 6K/60 frames per second for the primary camera. For all of its drone models, DJI also provides free Rec. .709 LUTs lookup tables. 5 minutes more flying duration than the previous generation, the Mavic 4 Pro claims to fly for up to 51 minutes. It has an overall range of 41 kilometers, 25.4 miles, and a 10-bit HDR transmission range of up to 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles, when outfitted with DJI's OcuSync 04 Plus transmission technology. Even though you would never travel so far, there's less chance of disconnection in places with a lot of interference, especially in cities. According to DJI, their ActiveTrack 360 degrees technology can track a target in low light conditions and maintain focus even if it gets lost behind shrubs or other obstructions. It can identify obstacles in all directions at up to 18 meters per second, around 40 miles per hour, thanks to 6 fisheye sensors. This implies that at faster speeds, as when using the drone in sport mode, obstacle avoidance will be turned off. The new DJI RC Pro 2, a remote controller with a 7-inch mini LED display, is paired with the Mavic 4 Pro. According to DJI, the rotating display will instantaneously synchronize with the drone's gimbal to enable vertical shooting coordination. In addition, it has 128 gigabytes of internal storage and HDMI output. The controller's built-in microphone or DJI Mic Series microphones allow for native audio recording and up to 4 hours of battery life.